Do you guys want to know the future of Delhi? This. This is the future of Delhi. And soon, we may need an oxygen mask with a personal oxygen cylinder to literally breathe. But that's not even it. Because we won't just lose our breath, but we might actually lose our capability to think, our productivity, our earning power, and even our national competitiveness. So everyone's been calling this a health crisis. But let's talk about the crisis that nobody wants to acknowledge. Now, Delhi is becoming economically weaker and cognitively slower city. Now, let me tell you how. Because the toxic air doesn't just irritate your lungs. It literally lowers your brain's processing speed, your focus, your memory, and even your decision-making power. So think about what would happen to a laptop if you constantly spilled coffee on it. Now, it would hang, it would choke, and maybe stop functioning entirely. So studies worldwide show that pollution reduces cognitive performance by 10 to 20%. Imagine a city of over 5 crore people functioning at suboptimal intelligence every single day. And the children growing up in this environment may have slower brain development and learning. But you know what slower learning today means? It means a weaker workforce for tomorrow. Now let's talk about money, because the pollution is quietly draining it. Every worker in Delhi, corporate employees, delivery partners, teachers, doctors, are losing their productivity. Companies are paying the same salary for a lower output. And now that's a direct economic loss per worker, slipping in efficiency, lowering the creativity, and slowing your problem-solving skills. Households are spending more on medicines, doctor visits, air purifiers, masks, and filters. That's another hidden tax paid every month out of your pocket. And for the outdoor workers, the drivers, the construction workers, the guards, their bodies actually pay the highest price. So India's long-term competitiveness is actually in danger. A city breathing poison produces a weaker generation. And slow minds lead to weaker innovation, higher health costs lead to lower disposable income, lower productivity means weaker companies, and weaker companies actually lead to weaker national competitiveness. So the countries don't fall behind because of one big failure. They fall behind because their workforce becomes slower, sicker, and less sharp over time. Exactly what Delhi is heading towards. So the clean air is not an environmental issue alone. It's an economic policy issue. It's a national stability issue. It's a future workforce issue. And if we ignore this, the question won't be how bad is Delhi's AQI. The real question will become, what kind of India are we building for the next 20 years? Because a country that can't breathe can't compete.